The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Do the prostration properly and do not put your forearms flat with elbows touching the ground like a dog. And if you want to spit, do not spit in front nor to the right, for the person in prayer is speaking in private to his Lord." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "If it is very hot, then pray the Zohar prayer when it becomes a bit cooler, as the severity of the heat is from the hanging of the hell fire." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever misses the Asr prayer intentionally, then it is as if he lost his family and property." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "If any one of you can get one rakah of the Asr prayer before sunset, he should complete his prayer. If any one of you can get one rakah of the Fajr prayer before sunrise, he should complete his prayer." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "If anyone forgets a prayer, he should pray that prayer when he remembers it. There is no expiation except to pray the same." Then he recited, "Establish prayer for my remembrance."